Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good Caesar salad. The heart of any great Caesar salad is its dressing. Start by whisking 1 egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, whisking constantly to form a creamy emulsion. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This homemade dressing is truly transformative. Next, let's talk about those irresistible croutons and the crisp lettuce. For the best croutons, use day-old bread cut into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 minced garlic clove, salt, and pepper. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden and crunchy. For the lettuce, choose fresh, crisp romaine hearts. Wash and dry them completely. This is crucial for dressing adherence. These elements are key to a satisfying crunch. Now for the exciting part, assembling your masterpiece. In a large bowl, gently toss the crisp romaine lettuce with your freshly made Caesar dressing. The key is to ensure every leaf is lightly coated but never overdressed. Let the lettuce shine. Just before serving, add your warm, crunchy homemade croutons. This prevents them from getting soggy. Finally, garnish generously with extra grated Parmesan cheese and fresh black pepper. This creates a beautiful and delicious presentation. To consistently achieve a truly great Caesar salad, remember these final tips. Always use the freshest, highest quality ingredients you can find. They truly make a difference. Prepare your dressing just before serving to ensure the most vibrant flavors. Never overdress your salad. A light coating is always best, allowing the crispness of the lettuce to come through. For a more substantial meal, consider adding grilled chicken or shrimp. Follow these guidelines, and you'll be enjoying perfect Caesar salads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.